Seeing a 2.5 BHK Hubtown Premier Residences, 25-story, 3 towers coming up, and almost getting ready. It's a beautiful project by Paradigm Realty. This is a living space, a spacious living room facing the main JP road, so amenities will come on this level. Below there are shops which will face the JP road, Warsaw. If you go on a higher floor, you get a lot of sea view. Construction is in full swing. Living space, 2.5 BHK, about 937 square feet, lot of area, foyer there. So you can attach this and make it an ensuite bedroom here. This is a common bedroom and a common bathroom, big spacious one. Hubtown Premier Residences is an iconic project, and one of the towers is sold out completely, so things are selling thick and fast. One of the bedrooms, now we saw this one, we saw the common bathroom. As I said, you can attach it with the other side or make a door here and make it a master bedroom, living space, dining area there, and a lovely big humongous kitchen, 11.5 by 7.11, and the utility area is different, separate, 4 into 5 by 8, 4 by 5.8. Big space here. Washing machine and drying needs and utility can be fulfilled here. JP Road, Warsaw, Patliputra, Kamdenu Shopping Center. Another tower coming up. So big spacious apartments. Hubtown Premier Residences, called Warsaw the address, but 7 bungalows near Warsaw Metro. The second 0.5 bedroom is this one. You can combine it with this bedroom and make it a big master. You can do whatever you like with this and play around with the space. Third bedroom, attached bathroom. Brilliant, awesome stuff. Showing the space from all the corners. 2.5 BHK, 937 square feet carpet area, 3 entries and exits, 25-story, about 30 plus lifestyle amenities, 30 to 35. Hubtown Premier. Rafiq Merchant, new properties every day on my YouTube channel. If you want to run a sell, holla at me, guys. Cheers.